Good morning, mathematicians. It is Wednesday of week 10, and today we are switching from our volume work that we did on Monday and Tuesday, and we're thinking a lot about fractions as quotients today. So let's get started with number one. Will Borrow use 13 sacks of soil on his 5 gardens? He used the same amount of soil for each. How many sacks did he use on each garden? Well, remember, he used 13 sacks of soil, and he used them on how many gardens? He used them on 5 gardens. So really, if we answer this, we're finding how much he used on each garden. Well, 13 divided by 5 is the same as 13 divided by 5. That represents how much was used in each of the 5 gardens. So we could say that our answer for how many did he use in each garden is 13 fifths sack for each garden. All right, we've answered number one. Let's go on to number two. Ariana Venti used 2 bags of coffee to make 5 drinks. How much of a bag did she use to make each drink? Well, she used 2 bags of coffee to make how many drinks? 5 drinks. So how much was each drink? 2 fifths, right? So how much was each drink? Each drink was 2 fifths of a bag. All right, now the second context that relates is this. How much did she use to make 2 drinks? Well, if this is the portion she used to make one, she would need 2 fifths plus 2 fifths to make two, and that is 4 fifths of a bag to make 2 drinks. All right, let's go on to our next one. Anita Bath uses 3 bottles of bubble bath for each bath she takes. How many bottles of bubble bath are used in 7 baths? Well, if she uses 3 bottles of bubble bath for each bath she takes, how many bottles of bubble bath are used in 7 baths? That would be 3 over 7, right? So, with that in mind, we're going to say that she uses 3/7 of a bottle for 7 baths, right? Okay, let's go to number two. How many are used in 2 baths? That would be this plus this. So we would have an answer of 6/7 of a bottle for 2 baths. All right, now we are looking at number one, where question 4 says, what is 2 times 1/3? Well, that would be 2/3, because if I have 1/3 and another third, we have 2/3. What is 5 times 1/6? Well, that would be 5/6. By having 5 groups of 1/6 would give you 5/6. What would having 9 groups of 1/8 give you? Well, that would give you 9/8. And 19 times 1/4, or excuse me, 1/14, that would be 19/14. All right, we are looking at our next question down below, which is very similar to what we just did. 3 times 1/4 would give us 3/4. 7 times 1/9 would give us 7/9. 9 times 1/19 would give us 9/19. And 19 times 1/37 would be 19/37. That finishes out our Wednesday